What is the best thing you can do in your garden to help wildlife? Well, the answer is quite simple. Dig a wildlife pond. By simply adding water into your own garden, you can attract everything from birds, butterflies, dragonflies, bats, hedgehogs, foxes. Everything that will possibly visit your wildlife garden will use a wildlife pond. They are the best thing you can put into your garden to help wildlife. And if you're not sure what to do, then check out the 3-part series I've already made on the YouTube channel. And if you're looking to buy the fleece, the liner, the plants, the oxygenators, the lilies, everything you need to make a wildlife pond, check out wildrygarden.com. Hit that link below and we can supply you, if you're in the UK, with everything you need to make the best habitat possible for wildlife in your own garden.